Advertisement. Advertisement.
Advertisement. Advertisement. A notice, picture or film telling people about a product, job or service. You can place an advertisement on a classified's website. An online advertisement. An example of something that shows its good qualities. Dirty streets and homelessness are no advertisement for a prosperous society. He's a walking advertisement for healthy living. The act of advertising something and making it public. We are employing an assistant to help with the advertisement of the group's activities.